The rate stretch tool in Premiere Pro can be very useful to solve problems with timing, and can help you edit faster as well. In situations where you need the speed of a clip to be changed by an exact amount, it's best to right-click on the clip and select Speed Duration. Here you can change the speed of a clip by an exact amount. However, when you're working with footage that doesn't need to be changed by an exact percentage, the rate stretch tool is really useful to help you edit more quickly. You can access the rate stretch tool by pressing R on the keyboard. With the rate stretch tool selected, you can click and drag either the start or end of a clip, and Premiere will change the speed of the clip according to how much you've lengthened or shortened it. No frames will be added or removed. If you extend the clip, it will be slowed down. If you shrink the clip, it will be sped up. This can be really useful if you need your clip to be a few extra frames longer to fill a gap in the edit, or to rapidly speed up footage, like this static shot here, which can be sped up to look more like a time-lapse shot. You can also consider changing the time interpolation to optical flow, as if you have significantly sped up or slowed down your footage, this can help the clip look more smooth.